We now present our award-winning competition team performing Tumuhi, a beautiful song written by our family, Tapuari Laughlin. In this performance, the dancers honor the sandalwood tree, a symbol of strength, beauty, and deep roots. Just as the Tumuhi carries its sweet fragrance through the air, this dance celebrates love, cultural pride, the enduring spirit of Tahiti, and of course our roots, our ancestors. Led and choreographed by Dana Calais, please welcome our dancers as they perform Tumuhi.
Sarah Kennedy.